Hi, my name is Dmitry Urkanov. I am a designer and manufacturer of foam concrete machines Boss series. This video will be about the sand. Sand is an important ingredient in the foam concrete manufacturing, because if the sand is incorrectly selected, if it is heavy, it will settle to the bottom, or if there are large inclusions in it, the foam will settle. I will explain why. We must sift the sand. Why sift? Just imagine. Here we have a capacity. We poured water, poured foam, poured fine-grained cement. Your foam mortar was whipped. And in short, you got a homogeneous foam concrete mortar. If you haven't sifted the sand, you will have large blotches, small stones. And now imagine, 750 revolutions per minute rotates foamed concrete mortar, and you have a fraction flying there that cuts everything in its path. There will be an inhomogeneous mortar. The mortar will settle to the bottom because these boulders will simply destruct foam bubbles flying around inside this machine. The smaller your sand fraction, the more homogeneous the foamed concrete mortar you will have. The more homogeneous foamed concrete mortar you have, the better the quality of the foam concrete will be. Further, when choosing sand, be sure to make sure that there are as few inclusions of clay and silt as possible. Why? When you're mixing the mortar, you dissolve the clay. On the one hand, yes, it used to be used by plasterers as a plasticizer. But when you pour it into the foam, into the mass, pour it into the molds, your clay becomes like a lens, and it leads to delamination. This is also not good. Therefore, pay attention to how that is. Let's say coarse quartz sand. It is heavy sand. It can sink to the bottom, so you better give us a call. Send a photo. By the way, today guys from Uzbekistan came to us for Boss 500 machine. Well done in general. They were not lazy and brought 3 kilograms of sand. They asked me, is this sand as good? To be honest, I was stunned. I now understand that the Klondike is on the Amu Darya River. This is the first time I've seen such sand in my life, and they did not sift it, did nothing. It is just finely dispersed. Very cool. The rules for sand are as follows. The finer the sand, the less inclusions of clay in it, the more high quality your foam concrete will be. Call us. Contact us. We will advise you.